Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Dimpy, and today I have a KORS unboxing to do. This package just came in this morning and I really couldn't wait. I just had to unbox it right away. So I put on makeup and here I am in front of the camera. But basically this is a camera bag and I really have not seen this before. Like, this is really true unboxing. It's fully packed right now, and if you're wondering what the name of this bag is, it is called a Bradshaw. So it kind of reminds me of Carrie Bradshaw from the Sex and the City, but anyways, it's just kind of interesting there. But this is in the berry color. I'm sure you guys saw it. I wanted to bring it up close, this sticker here, in case you guys want to look it up. If you like it, you can look it up. And I got this one from Macy's. So it is a KORS bag, but I got it from Macy's. I don't think this particular color and this particular style is available on the KORS website. I just found it at Macy's. KORS does have, like, the direct KORS website does have other styles of this bag, but not this particular one. So I'm talking like a lot, but I'm just going to quickly unbox this and show you the bag, and then I guess we can talk more about it. If you have any other questions, then feel free to leave it in the comment box down below. But here we go with the unboxing. Nicely wrapped. I'm gonna remove this. Sorry, my mic is really close to the paper, so you probably will hear like loud paper noises, so you can mute this part if it's too loud. But here it is. Whoops, almost dropped it. Ta-da! There it is. Oh God, it's gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that. So once again, this is the camera bag. It's called the Bradshaw camera bag, I think. I'll leave the exact name of it down below in the description box if you want to look it up. But let's just unwrap this whole thing and kind of check the bag and see if you really like it, try it on and all that good stuff. Alright, so it is fully unwrapped now, and I'll bring it up close so you guys can really see. So it is very, very pink. Like, it's like really berry pink. I think the color is also called berry pink. It's a very bright kind of pink, and I ordered this one because I don't really have, so first of all, I don't really have a camera bag. I don't really own a camera bag. And then secondly, I don't even own a pink bag. Like, I mean, I do have other pinks, but I really have light pinks. I don't really have like a bright pink like this one. And on top of that, I really don't have a bag that's like really shiny. And I don't know how to describe it, but it's really, there's a lot going on with this bag. Like, it's really, like, it's a lot. Like, it's out there, it's loud. So I feel like this is just perfect if you want to like bring up a dull outfit, or not a dull outfit, but like a simple outfit if you want to like spark it up. I think this is just perfect for it. And here is the strap. This is a guitar strap. So in a way, I wanted to have an extra strap just so that I can use it with other bags and stuff like that. So I thought this would be perfect. But this one does have like this little accent here in the straps. It's not going to be it's probably going to be weird if I use this strap with other bags because it does say MK on it. But it seems like a nice strap. Let me show you how the bag is on the inside. Give me a second here. Okay, so it's obviously stuffed. All right, so this one did come with a dust bag. I know recently a lot of my KORS bags have not been coming with the dust bag. All right, so now it is fully empty, and I will show you the tag once more in case you are interested in getting it. Here is the tag. So this one does say $358, but I did get it on sale and I paid about I think 161 plus taxes. I'll leave direct link to this bag in the description box down below in case you're looking for it and want to purchase it. And it is from Macy's. I think I did mention it, but it is from Macy's. And here we have the bag on the inside. There is not much, like there's back pocket here, like a slip pocket. And then on this side, there's some card slots, but otherwise it's a camera bag, so there isn't any organization there. And then in the back is a slip pocket. So I just love Michael Kors for their organization. I think it's one of the, they have some really good organization going on. And then in the front here, there's also another pocket, but I think you just push like that. Yep. So there's a little thing at the bottom here. So you push it and it lifts up the flap. And then that one is also stuffed with this paper. So here is that front flap. I don't know if it's going to fit a phone, maybe a small phone. I don't really have my phone with me because I'm filming on it, but otherwise it should fit a phone, or at least like keys and lip gloss and stuff like that. It's a good size. Let me show you again. Here. So this is the front pocket, not too bad at all. There's also a back pocket, and there is a big section here. And whoops, I think I dropped the booklet, but that's okay. And then here is the bottom. I don't think I showed you the bottom, but it's fairly thick, so you know it will fit quite a bit. Here is the side. Still got to remove the plastic here. I'll do that in a bit. And then here is the top. The other side, this is where the straps are attached. I haven't really attached the other strap yet. Here it is. Let me just quickly attach that so you guys can see. All right, and I want to show you the zipper tab too, because I just removed it there. But there it is, nice and substantial zipper pull, and that's how the bag is. I think the front pocket is open. Let me close that real quick. All right, there we go. So that's how the bag is. It's very nice, and I think it's going to be comfortable because it's a guitar strap. It's a fairly thick strap. And the good thing is that this strap is adjustable, just like that. So stay tuned. I will show you some mod shots. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I wanted to make it quick and show you guys this bag. And I wanted to wear black today just so that I could like see how this bag looks on like a plain back, like black t-shirt. So stay tuned for more shots. I'm gonna try on this bag for you guys, but otherwise that's it. If you're looking for this bag, I think it looks nice. They're on direct Michael Kors website. They do have this bag, but they don't have like these studs or anything like that. It's a plain one, and I don't think they have this color. They have other colors. I think they have black, maroon, they have gray. I saw that, and then they have like with this style with the studs and stuff. They have the logo ones, the one that says like MK all around it, and it's not really leather. It is canvas, I think. But yeah, that really does it for today's video. It was a quick one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's been a while since I got Michael Kors back, so definitely excited for this one. And stay tuned for more shots. I know I said it already, but yeah, that really does it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.